ladies and gentlemen, is very, very special as we dedicate Kids on Rampage 2016 to our very dear family member who left us recently, Mr. Brij Bedi. He'll be remembered as the man who changed the lives of the underserved children of Maqbulpura, Amritsar. He, along with Master Ajit Singh Ji, had started a school called Citizens Forum Vidya Mandir in 1999 with a group of 20 students. And today, we're proud to say that the school has more than 600 children. And the school was set up with a mission to save the next generation from getting into the grips of drugs. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and privilege for me today, this evening, to welcome these 5 students from Citizen Forum Vidya Mandir who are today with us all the way from Amritsar to please come on stage with their teacher, Geeta Ji, and one of the board members, Satpal Kaur Ji, to please come on stage. I would also request our very dear Kiran Bedi ma'am to please come on the stage for the lamp lighting. Let's have a glimpse of some of his work. We recently had the privilege in Amritsar to be with these kids, the poorest of poor. थोड़े पैसे इकट्ठे करके he created these buildings, the beautiful space, Vidya Ka Mandir, for these kids. Our condolences from Shri Arun Jaitley ji, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi sir. Yes, together we will carry forward his vision for sure, Abu. Ladies and gentlemen, and now the stage is set for the most awaited event, Kids on Rampage 2016. And may I request ma'am to kindly begin the show with these beautiful students, beautiful children from Maqbulpura, all the way from Amritsar. And they are in Delhi for the first time, let me tell you this. With Kiran Bedi ma'am. Their teachers, Geeta Ji. The governing board members, Satpal Kaur Ji. May I request ma'am now to please share a few words because Abu was really inspired by you, ma'am.
I'm very grateful that Navjyoti is dedicating this event to Brij, my husband, Mr. Brij Bedi. बहुत साल पहले ये गरीबों के लिए स्कूल अमृतसर में खोला, जिसकी वजह से वो अमृतसर ही रहे, क्योंकि ये अपना स्कूल के बच्चे बहुत प्यारे थे। हम सबसे ज्यादा प्यारे वो बच्चे थे जिनको उन्होंने पहली जमात से पढ़ाया। ये मैंने स्कूल को देखा था बहुत साल पहले, 15 साल पहले, इनकी घरों की गलियों में चलता था। इस सिख फैमिली, अजीत सिंह जी की और सतपाल, इन्होंने ये स्कूल अपने घर से चलाया था। जैसे चांदनी ने आपको बोला, न्यूज़पेपर में आया कि ये स्कूल चल रहा है और इस कॉलोनी में ऐसे चल रहा है जहां फादर्स चले गए बिकॉज ऑफ ड्रग एडिक्शन और अपने बच्चों को अनाथ छोड़ गए। ब्रिज ने जब पढ़ी वो स्टोरी, वो उस कॉलोनी में गए और उस कॉलोनी में अपनी पूरी सपोर्ट दी और अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को लेके जुड़ गए। मास्टर जीत सिंह जी और इनकी वाइफ के साथ जुड़ गए और 1 से 11 बन गए, 11 से अनेक बन गए और आज हजारों बन गए, जो कि आज सिंगापुर यूनिवर्सिटी, जर्मन यूनिवर्सिटी, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग दूर दूर से आते हैं और स्कूल को सपोर्ट करते हैं। आज ये सुबह बस में बैठ के अमृतसर से आए हैं बच्चों को लेके। मैं आपका धन्यवाद करती हूँ, आप सबका धन्यवाद कि आपने मेरी नवज्योति का, जिन्होंने ये आज का फंक्शन ब्रिज की याद में डोनेट किया है। आप सबका धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू मैम। I now request our Executive Director, Neetu Sharma Joshi to please come on the stage and brief us what's happening in Bhavana these days.
A very good evening to all of you. Our child education program is a very comprehensive and holistic program which has components of 3S: Shiksha, Sanskars, and skills. So today we have 7,000 children who are being reached through our child education program, which includes the remedial education and our very favorite Bal Gurukul projects. So let's hear it for our children from Bhavana who will walk the ramp now.
Mr. Atul Jain, owners of Atul Jewelers. Mr. Narendra Verma sir from Diamond Pocket Books. He is the governing board member of Navjyoti India Foundation. We have with us Amreen and Anamika from Max India Foundation. Max India Foundation has been supporting us in the comprehensive immunization program for our Bhavana children. Nandita Jain ma'am from PhD Family Welfare Foundation. Miss Meenu Arora ma'am, all the way from Dubai. A volunteer, a great person and a philanthropist. The founder chairperson of Women in Leadership Forum, Poonam Barua. She's an inspiring pioneer who strongly believes in the value of women. Nidhi Jaiswal, she's a life associate member, a very kind-hearted lady who takes special interest in supporting education and helps many charities to promote and act on the cause. Let's hear it for Mr. Parveen Mittal, a selfless educator, a beautiful-hearted teacher. Miss Preeti from Venkateshwar Global School, who has been supporting, the school has been supporting a remedial education project in Bhavana. Seth Madan Lal Palriwala Foundation has been supporting Navjyoti India Foundation for more than 15 years now. हमारे सबसे पुराने donors or supporters. Well, that's Mr. Sanjay Agarwal with us. Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, thank you so much. A great well-wisher of Navjyoti India Foundation. And here we are, Shruti and Mr. Prem, all the way from Bangkok. Ms. Renu Pal from BlackRock. BlackRock has been supporting a women empowerment program in rural areas of Gurgaon district. And we have been reaching out to 1,500 beneficiaries, 1,500 women in rural areas. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for very dear, very own Jasmine, all the way from Bangkok, who's designed these clothing line for the kids. She's been supporting every year.
Okay, now we're going to invite Aditya. He's going to sing a few songs for us over here now.
ओ गोरे गोरे ओ बाके छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो ओ गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो अरे बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया हे हे बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया. Thank you. You guys are absolutely amazing. This was so much of fun.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have our youth, our children from Kerala Center. Please put your hands together for our next round, our students from Kerala. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our students from Skill Upgradation Program, Kerala, from northwest part of Delhi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we also teach them to give back to their community. These are all Gurukul teachers. They actually mentor students younger to them. Give it up for them. Let's hear a big round of applause for them.
So that's Amit Goel, ladies and gentlemen. He's the board member of a skill upgradation program. And that's Anuradha Goel, ma'am, from PhD Family Welfare Foundation, one of our very old partners and supporters. We have Mr. A.P. Khan and Mr. Sandeep Sharma from Yamaha Group. Yamaha has been supporting a skill upgradation program, automobile courses for youth. Next, we have Parampreet Singh from Australian Vocational Training Education Group. Dr. Prerna Kohli from VLCC. She's a renowned psychologist with a career spanning for 22 years and has been awarded 4 gold medals in her field of psychology. Mr. Amjad Habib. A round of applause for Mr. Amjad Habib. Ladies and gentlemen, a very dear friend. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, from German Embassy, Katharina Brosch. She joined the Federal Foreign Office in 2009 in charge of micro projects funded by Federal Foreign Office. Next we have our special achievers from Kerala, our gold medalists at national level, walking the ramp with the trainer in self-defense, Mr. Sibi George.
A big round of applause for Mr. George. Thank you, sir.
And of course now our showstopper, our very own designer, Mr. Steen Karmali, Raj's creation all the way from Dubai. She has always been a constant support. ये सारी dresses इन्होंने design करी हैं all the way from Dubai. और हमारा अगला segment है, अब हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने गांव के बच्चे, they will walk the ramp. All from the rural areas of Sona Block, Gurgaon district. We are working in 72 villages in Sona Block in Gurgaon to make Swavlambi Sona, that's self-reliant Sona. Anish and Ekta from BlackRock. BlackRock is supporting our women empowerment program in rural areas. हम लोग 1500 महिलाओं को reach out कर रहे हैं through our self-help group project. Devendra Gandhi sir, ladies and gentlemen, he is a first life associate member, a successful industrialist who owns the Kamal Plast and Manufacturers. Gurleen Kaur, founder Skills for Life. Skills for Life is extending scholarship to 5 selected candidates to be part of 1-year leadership program. Lalit sir from Sehgal Foundation, SM Sehgal Foundation, a very old partner in environment project. Maria Essenberg, all the way from Geneva, a very old partner, volunteer, visits us every year. Let's hear it for Maria, ladies and gentlemen. MD Mehta sir, our governing board member and a founder member actually. So he's been with the organization since inception. There we have, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nirmal Singh Rana sir, always available for us for any guidance that we need in HR policies. Mr. Rajkumar Khurana. Okay, Mr. Achapal sir, the CEO and founder of Bus Communications with his grandson, SB Sharma sir from Tata Packers and Movers. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have a very special guest, a very special designers from rural areas. ये हरियाणा गांव की महिलाएं हैं जिन्होंने ड्रेसेस डिजाइन करी हैं अंडर अ प्रोजेक्ट उन्नति. ये हमारी गांव की महिलाएं जिनको घरों से बाहर नहीं निकलने दिया जाता. Look at their confidence walking the ramp. For the first time they've got this platform, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause for these beautiful women who have designed these clothes for our children under the Project Unnati. And for the finale, may I invite Mr. Anuj Mathur from Canara HSBC Oriental Bank of Commerce Life Insurance Company Limited, who's been supporting this project. We started with a stitching project in one of the villages, and today we have their own brand called Unnati, ladies and gentlemen. And there we have Kanishk from Haryana walking the ramp. Our children from rural areas, remedial education project, and Gurukul.
Bismillah, bismillah, bulbul, bismillah. Mat mil, gul the, mat mil. Bismillah, bismillah, bulbul, bismillah. Dil bulbul, bulbul, bismillah. Mushkil dil bhi mushkil. मुश्किल होती है दिल धड़के दो दिल धड़के दो धड़कने दिल भी हरकत दिल होती है खुशबुए गुल में इश्क भरा है मत मिल गुल से मत मिल है बुलबुल बिस्मिल मत मिल गुल से मत मिल है बुलबुल बिस्मिल
Okay, so let's see these beautiful smiles on stage, live, right here, right now. The children from India Vision Foundation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first style icon from IVF. Give it up for him.
That's Anju Mangala ma'am. She is the superintendent of Women Jail, Tihar Prison. She's dynamic and energetic officer who has initiated many new reformation activities like e-library, skill development programs for women inmates and their children. Mr. Ray from ACC Construction. Thank you, Mr. Ray, for supporting us. Mr. Raminder Singh, CEO, CSS Global Tech. Nishu, our volunteer, a senior contemporary visual artist, Nishu. Natasha Chadda Bamri believes that you can't change a person, but you can change his heart with art. Alpana, Assistant General Manager, HR and CSR from Singer.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Alpana and Angela.
Next, we have Tarun. Tarun, Director of Imperial Automobiles, is the first corporate supporter who's supporting us in Gurgaon prisons.
Mr. Sushant Kalra, the founder director of Parvarish Institute of Parenting. Miss Noopur and Miss Monica as well to walk the ramp with us. Noopur ji is an expert in human development and childhood studies. Please welcome Noopur, Monica and Sushant walking the ramp with our children.
Mr. V.K. Das is associated with India Vision Foundation since inception. Mr. Kamaldeep Jain.
Country manager for ST Foundation. His foundation is imparting computer education.
Mr. Arun Patel from ST Foundation.
ST Foundation 19 हरियाणा के प्रेजेंट पे कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our very own Amrita Bahel, trustee of India Vision Foundation, a passionate educator and editor of many books. A final round of applause with our choreographer, Reena, as a designer for India Vision Foundation. Raghav Arora, CEO of Riya Wishes Saloon and Academy. Ashish Gandhi, MD of Riya Wishes Saloon and Academy, ladies and gentlemen. That's Raghav, Riya and Ashish walking the ramp. That's Gaurav and Kaushal walking the ramp. He has his website called actingkira.com. Next we have Daniel, Head Strategy and Operations, Lim Entertainment, provide end-to-end entertainment solutions to illuminate the talent and work on talent management, music programming and consulting. Ms. Gayatri Satdev, choreographer and creative director for Forever Dance, walking the ramp with children.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request you to put your hands together for the grand finale of this event today.